The Supreme Court on Friday stayed a circular issued by Mumbai College that imposed a ban on wearing hijab, niqab, burqa and caps within its premises. However, the court also said that girls will not be allowed to wear burqa inside the classroom and religious activities will not be permitted on the campus. The bench told the college administration, and I quote, "Girls students must have freedom of choice in what they were wearing and college cannot force them." As per the live law, Justice Kumar, who was hearing the case, also asked the college authorities, and I quote, "Can you say someone wearing a tilak will not be allowed? This is not part of your instructions?" The apex court was hearing a plea challenging Bombay High Court verdict from June, which refused to interfere with the college's decision to implement the ban. 9 female students who were in their second and third years had challenged the college's directive and alleged it had violated their fundamental rights, including the right to practice their religion and right to privacy and right to choice. But how the controversy started? The controversy began on 1st May when Chembur Tromboy Education Society's NG Acharya and DK Marathe College sent a notice on its official WhatsApp group, which included faculty members and students. Notice instructed a dress code that banned the wearing of hijab, niqab, burqa, caps, badges and stalls on college premises. The petitioners in their plea argued that this directive was issued without any legal authority and was therefore bad in law, null and void. The students first approached the college management and the principal requesting the withdrawal of the restrictions on hijab, niqab and burqa, citing their right to choice and dignity and privacy in the classroom. But their requests were ignored, so they escalated the matter to Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University and the University Grants Commission, reaching out to ensure that education should be given without discrimination. However, they didn't receive any response, and the students filed a petition in the Bombay High Court. Altaf Khan, the petitioner's advocate, presented verses from the Quran and argued that wearing a hijab was an essential part of Islam. The plea said that the college's action was arbitrary, unreasonable, bad in law and perverse. During the hearing in the High Court, the college management defended the ban as a measure to enforce a uniform dress code and maintain discipline, and they denied any intent to discriminate against the Muslim community. Representing the college, senior counsel Anil Anturkar said that the dress code applies to students of all religions and castes. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.